Hello guys, welcome to Progjury channel. If this is your first time, my name is Progjury and I teach people how to make money online. I will give you good tips, working tips for you to make money online. But today we are going to talk about Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy. What do you mean by affiliate? Affiliate is a form of business in which you promote other people's product, where they give you links and share it to your friends, family, or to people you know who need that product. So when these people you know buy this product, the affiliate network pays you some form of a commission. As simple as that. So what do you need in this regard? So you need a Pinterest account and your affiliate network. Let's get started. So in this video, we're going to talk about how you can get good money using Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy. Yes, in this video, we want to talk about how you can make use of Pinterest, this Pinterest account, Pinterest website to get good funds into your bank account using this strategy I'm going to show you. It's untapped. So do it to listen to this, watch this video to the end and get the best of it. To make use of this Pinterest, first of all, you need a business account. Just go to Pinterest.com, then create a business account. When you create a business account, then the next thing you need is an affiliate network. The affiliate network can be maybe share a sale, or maybe Fiverr, Upwork. You can do this thing even with a blog or without a blog. Yes, you can generate good traffic to your website, to your affiliate link, whether you have a blog or not. But let's talk about having a blog. If you want to generate these affiliate links using a website, a blog, first of all, you can head on to blogger.com, create a blog, and first of all, you need to get signed in. When you're signed in, you can just start to develop your blog, and you can start making posts related to your content. But first of all, let's start from here. In this video, we're going to talk about this website called Digistore. Digistore is a website, it's an affiliate website too. Look at them. Digistore 24 is an affiliate website. And today I'm going to talk about this product, Digistore, how to promote this product using Pinterest. We want to assume that we will have a blog. Like I said before now, go to this website, blogger.com, create a content on this product called Digistore. Create a content on it, and you can then get the link of that content into Pinterest. The next thing you want to do, this for free, this free of charge if you're just starting. But if you have some funds, you can still go and get a domain. Go to namecheap.com, get a domain, buy a domain, and you can register the domain here. The next thing, you can still host the domain too. Host the domain, and how much you did with that cost? Let me see. To host the domain, will take you some funds. Like this one, it says about $1.48 monthly. You can get started with the Stellar plan, or you can get to the Stellar Plus, which will charge you $2.18 per month, or maybe the Stellar business plan that will get you this. So you can just get a domain, then get this hosting account, and then you start to make blog. Why you need to buy a domain? Because sometimes Pinterest may not really allow that affiliate website you want to promote in their website. So, but if you have a domain and you get your website or URL running, put the URL into Pinterest directly, and that will start working for you. That's it. So that's if you want to use a blog which is free, or want to buy a domain which is a paid stuff. But now I want to talk about the next step, which is a free pattern. This one is free. How do you get about this? Pay attention. In case you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe to this channel. Please do it to subscribe to the channel. We need to make this channel to be 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers. Please do it to subscribe to the channel. I have other videos for you here that can really make you to get more from the internet. That is talking about how to earn $25,000 from faceless YouTube channel. You have a lot of them there. Look for Progjury channel and get all these videos utilized for good. So let's start going for the one of free. If you want to promote your website using, if you want to promote your affiliate link, like this affiliate link now, you can see if I scroll down this affiliate website. If I scroll, I'm going to see your promo link. This is my link here. If you want to promote this product, I'll come here and copy this link and fix it into my Pinterest account. You can see it here. You can see the link here. You can see the account here. Let me scroll up. You can see I already have a sample of it here, but I'm going to show you how to get this done if you pay attention and follow up with this video. So first of all, you need a Pinterest account, like I told you before. You need a business Pinterest account. Then when you click on the create pin, it will take you to this page, to this spot. Then you're going to see your title here. If I cut it right now, you see add your title. So I'm just pasting the back. Add your title. Then here with your description, and the others will be the next part will be your link, which is really important part of this video. The next part is your picture, or maybe your pin. What you need to put there. So how do you get this picture or this pin? How do you get these things? How do you get this content or these words? How do you get them? Right now, you already have this one right now because you already have an affiliate program you're attached to. So this is my affiliate digital 24 is my affiliate program. This is my affiliate link. I already have this. So what do I need right now? I need a pin, a picture. I need a good title. I need a good description. Even tags. To get started, I will introduce you to this website called Canva. This website called Canva should be your friend at this time. What do? You can just come to Canva, create an account with them, and search for Pinterest. When you search for Pinterest, you're going to be given a different size, but I prefer using this one, this 1080 by 1920. When you click on it, you can now go to and look for this template here, like this one here that talks about these are the Pinterest sizes here. So in this video, I clicked on this one. When you click on this one, to take it here, and if you look at the video, you see that it's almost like a woman with a cream stuff, because we want to promote a cream-like article. Or no, this a drug. This is not a cream time. It's a tablet, but it's almost like what most women want to take to. And if you guys can go for this too. But in this case, I would decide to put woman, a lady's picture, at least to make it to drive it home. So in this Canva, I can just go to this place and click on this template. When I click on it, it brings this photo for me. So what do I do now? I need to edit this way. This way I don't what I want in my Pinterest. I want to drive traffic. I want people to read what is coming. Where is it? I want people to read what they want to what they should expect from this pin. So I want to give them good content. So that's why I want to edit all these words from this place. I will edit all these words, remove all these ones. When you click on it and click on the edit, where is it? Yes, click on edit. Click edit button there, it will leave. Yeah, all this one, can you click on them and remove them? Can you replace them? These words I replace them. And this one, this link here too, click on it. You can click on this one here and get it replaced. Or get it deleted. You can just delete all of them. Then next thing, you can start to edit your work. Yes, don't forget the picture you have in your digital, the picture of the product. You can see you have black background, you have white how do we call it, white font, we have red here. These colors, when I try to create your own Canva picture, try to implement them inside so that it will look like what you have in the store. So like to look like what you have here. So for the sake of time, I already have one designed already. Let's check. Look at it here. You can see the woman here. I already had the picture. I can get this picture that is free from copyright. Enough for you to get this picture, just come to this website called pixels.com and look at the picture. Just type woman rubbing. You can search here, woman rubbing. You click on the search button and it brings you this picture. It brings this picture so you can get it downloaded. I already downloaded it here. When you download it here, then you can now go to Canva. Download Canva, click on the upload. And it will upload the picture. You look at it here. It's already uploaded here. So the next thing, I'll click on it and bring the picture here. The other about these ones here, I have this circular dark background or a white font. If you look at check our digital again, you can see this circular background and white font. So that's what I did here too. I'm just trying to mimic what they have there. Then you see the red color, like I told you before, you see the red color in that spot there too. But what about how do you get this stuff, all these ways? How do you get it? Like I told you before, you can just go to Google and type Meticore, because that's what I'm looking for. I went to Google and type Meticore, and I saw what is Meticore. I saw what they wrote here about that Meticore is a diet supplement in pea form that claims to amplify and boost your body's natural metabolism. So in this one, I don't want to say I claim because I know it's working. And sometimes I want to advise you that if you are using this product, do well to buy them. If you have the phone, do well to buy them, use them, so I can testify that it's still working very well before you go to the market and promote them. Or you can just go to reviews and check if people are really buying this product or if it's just quack, that you don't promote what will not make any sense or spoil your reputation. So this product can just come here and get these words and call them to make yours. So like if you see if you look at this place or this words here, check my work right now. You see I make this words my own too. I coined it to make it make sense. So that's simple. Yeah, and now I have content. Like if you go to Pinterest right now. Before now we talk about something. Okay, not here. Alright, so we have our content right now. We have our content. Then we have our task. Our task should be related to our title. Your title should not be difficult for you, because if you look at this product here, they said this is your number one offer in digital 24 history. Now we don't want to tell the digital, we want to change it again too. So in this case, you just need to be smart to know how to change words. You need to not be smart to know how to change. So, and in this place, I said your number one diet supplement. What's that? So they want to click the picture and look at this link, will not drive them to your affiliate store. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Like I said before, you can get pictures from this spot, Pinterest, and get it downloaded, and it's free of charge. It's real to free. Nobody will charge you for anything. It's free. So get it into your Canva and start editing. The next thing you want to do here is to download this picture, download this pin. How do you get that thing done? You can click on the share button, and click on download. Click on download, and we want to make sure that our picture is in PNG or in JPEG, but we want to collect the PNG form and click on download. So right now I want to download this picture into Pinterest directly. I want to download it and take it to Pinterest directly, so that you can see how it goes. So it's already downloading. It's downloaded. Look at it here, downloaded. So now I'll now go to Pinterest. Yes, we are here. So now we already have our title. I told you how to get my title. I told you how I got my content or my description, and you already know how you can get the digital link or your affiliate link. The next thing is to upload your images. So I'll just click on the upload, or let me just see if you can work that way. Let me just close here. Let me see if I can just drag this guy here. Yes, it's working. Good, smart. So I just drag and drop, and that's my pin. So beautiful, so beautiful. You can see it's really attractive. So the next thing I want to do is to publish. I want to publish. You can just come here, click on the publish, but maybe you need to create a board. If you don't have a board, like this one, I said do it yourself. It's something you can do by yourself. Like I said, DIY, do it yourself. Or if you don't have anything to do it yourself, or maybe you want to name it something, maybe you want to put the name of the product, you can put the name of the product. But now I want to encourage you, because somebody will just go there and look for it by themselves. You want to make it a little bit security so that you can drive them to your traffic and make money. The next thing you want to do is to click create board. When you click create board, you can name it and save. That's it. But let me tell you something. One thing, anytime you're promoting a product, anytime you're promoting an affiliate link, try to make sure that that cookies is about 120 to 180 days, because some of this product, maybe this product is just, maybe they don't have any cookie, maybe just 10 days or 50 days, but after 50 days nobody buy this product. Your time, energy, your traffic that you send to this your store will be wasted. So you want to try and make sure that you know how long this cookie will last. Like I made a research and I understood that these people, their cookie duration is about 180 days. So that means that you will receive your commission even then when the client buys within 180 days after visiting the website for the first time. Yes. So sometimes they may just visit the website for the first time, they will not buy, they just go away, or maybe they don't have the money, or they still want to make some research. When they come again and buy within 180 days, you still get paid. But if it's just 50 days, you go and come, they just share this website the first time, they don't buy. It's just waste of time. So make sure you check this very well, so that when you put your link, you know you are in for business. The next thing, what do? You hit the publish button. Let's hit it up. So as we wait for it to get uploaded, don't forget what I told you. Please, if you are still not doing it, do it right now. Hit the subscribe button, please. Hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together and watch these videos. And one thing about this stuff right now is, don't try to procrastinate. When you watch these videos, try to apply them. They are working tips that you need to do so that you can earn money online. You need to be financially free. Let me check the video. Let me check our Pinterest if it's uploaded. Yes, it's uploaded. Say you created a pin. Then they are now saying that you can promote this pin to reach more people. To about 400 million persons can come to Pinterest. They come to Pinterest every month to find new things. So if you click on the promote pin, then you are having more traffic. Or you can just click on see your pin. Let's click on see your pin. Let's see, it's got a pin. So beautiful. Yes, so beautiful. You can see our link here. You can see our title. You can see everything. Let's scroll down. Fine, also fine. You see, so they said it's safe to do it yourself. Yeah, but then we can just click save. And that's all. So the next thing you want to see is, as long as you have inserted these keywords, diet, supplement, metabolism, because people are looking for how to stay fit, they are looking for supplement, all these are looking for this to not drive them to your link, not drive them to your, like people like this right now, they have links attached. If you look at this one here, you can see the Pinterest here. This is a link attached, link it to another place entirely. Let me check if you can see that. This one's already put that link directly. So if you are here and I've made impact, I've made kind of sense to you, please do it. Hit the subscribe button, and you can still make comment in case I've not really done well. Maybe my accent, or maybe I'm too fast, or maybe you didn't get some of the videos well understood. You can state that in the comment section, and I'll do it to reply as soon as possible. If you need me to make any video or anything that you find difficult to get, do it to hit me too. I'm really here to help. Thanks for watching.